Which, P.S. the seatbelt doesn't work. It's 100% locked. Alright, let's fucking do this. Oh, yeah.
What did you just do?
I just made a dumb purchase. 99 Honda Civic with a B20 block and a GSR head. With the hood fucking zip tied because the latch doesn't work. And it's in rough shape, but we bought it from a friend. AKA I bought it from a friend. But we're gonna make this thing glorious. And like, most of the time you get in cars and you're like, oh, what's that smell? And I get in this thing and I'm like, this isn't like a racist joke or anything, but it literally smelled like white rice in here. It literally smelled like there was a bowl of rice sitting in here, cooked. And I can't get it out of my fucking head that we're in this Japanese car and it's nothing but smelling of white rice as we're grabbing gears here.
When you said that, I thought you were just trying to make fun of him, saying, you know, it was like rice, you know, like...
Yeah, bro. Yeah, no, this thing, it literally, legitimately, like, I think he's been cooking rice in this thing for the last 5 years.
The nice anal beads on the shifter.
Yeah, I was like, dude, do you want those anal beads back? And he's like, nah, bro, they go with the car. And I'm like, I think I'll set him up with a nice little care package of all the shit he left in the car. Dang, there was O'Reilly's. I should have got some wiper blades. Oh, shit, yeah.
That made it worse.
And kind of died a little bit when I turned on the wiper blades, so I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. So you have to understand, you might have been like a year old when the first Fast and Furious movie came out, but like, this was the shit. Like this, like when I was in high school, like this is what I fucking wanted. I don't know why. I never had one, and here I am at the age of 30, almost 34, and now I have like this like high school Fast and Furious type car, and I feel so weird right now. Dang, this is something else. Yeah, like feel that shift knob. Like, tell me that doesn't feel just janky and weird.
That feels like the Mustang.
You're like, hey man, this feels just like my car. Yeah, see, now it feels, once you drive it a little bit, it definitely feels like it's missing a little bit, but it's not terrible. I guess I was thinking that it was going to be this like hellacious misfire when he was describing it. And he's like, oh yeah, you can't even drive it. And then here we are fucking driving it home, you know?
That's what I thought too. I thought you guys were going to have to tow it with the 4Runner.
Yeah, that's why I told Sean to bring it, because I wasn't quite sure. He told Sean that we had to tow it. He told me I could drive it, and then he originally said, no, you can't. So, I don't know. Anyways, it's kind of like the gist of this car is like, just when you think you know what's going on, now you don't. So, it's definitely low. It definitely scrapes. I'm kind of nervous. I couldn't really see the underside very well with it being on the ground. I'm afraid the underside's pretty scraped up, but it's pretty low. It definitely, the exhaust definitely is rattling really bad. Need to re-secure that or actually fasten it properly. But yeah, he's had this car for 7 or 8 years, and it's been sitting for about 5, and he can't figure out what the hell is why it's running so weird. Which, I don't know. I mean, it definitely feels like it's got a miss, but it's weird because once you get in, it definitely goes away. So, I don't know. It's a swap. It's a Frankenstein swap. It's got a lot of mismatched things. We got OBD1 parts with OBD2, OBD2 going to OBD1. So, there's definitely some weird stuff. So, it's going to be kind of tearing into it to see what we can find and what we can figure out. Is that bird shit that got smeared on the window? What the fuck is that? I can't see in the mirror. It's been sitting in a garage. How do you get bird shit on a window? Either that or it's boogies. And wiping his fucking
just wipes his boogers on the window.
That's a good spot. No, I'm just fucking. Here's. Yeah, boy. Little fresh tank of gas. This thing's fucking ripper.
Faster than the IS?
Bitch, please. Let's see if we can get the. Oh.
No.
Truck. Come on. I was like, I hear a blow off valve. I'm like, what is that? Oh, it's Sean behind us. Wow, those wiper blades are shitty.
Should have brought that thing from the gas station.
Yeah. Manual wipers. Squeegeeing it off. Grabbing gears, baby! Woo! Man, that fresh tank of gas did something, man. That fucking tire chirping. Sean's probably like, what the hell is these guys doing? We gotta make it home before these wiper blades ain't cutting it. It's like smearing fucking urine. Just. You wanna go, bro? You want none of this. Look at you. You don't want this. You don't want this. This thing's so slow. Dude, this thing is so slow. Alright, it's got a misfire, it's got some things, the exhaust rattle, the wiper blades aren't wiping right. It's slowing this fucking thing down, man. You don't know. You don't know what Honda Civics do, bro. I don't think there's the airbag lights on. Like, all these things are contributing to why this thing is in a ripper. We're gonna fix them all, though.
Can't believe it couldn't outrun Sean's 400.
I know. Actually, would you be embarrassed if you were Sean and this thing smoked his 4Runner with a misfire? I'd be embarrassed.
Yeah.
I'd be embarrassed. He probably wouldn't even drive to my house. He'd probably just keep driving. So I'm glad he won, but I mean, you know, I got a misfire, bro. Like, you don't know. My wife is gonna be so pissed. She's gonna look at this thing and be like, "What the hell did you just do? What are you, 16?" Be like, yeah, so. I'm gonna leave it running. I gotta grab my keys. Oh my god, dude! Oh, it's instinct. It's so instinct to just grab your key. I was like, I didn't get my keys to get in the house.
You just said, I'm gonna leave it running and turn it off.
God damn it! Fuck! It's all your fault, Marco. God. You want a Honda now or what?
I'm good. I'm fine with the Mustang. Couldn't even outrun your 4Runner.
Dude, she's a ripper, man.
We still have to race the 4Runner and the Mustang.
That's true. You want to get on the hood? So yeah, I purchased this. We'll get it up and running. Hopefully we make some content with it. Sean over here is a big time Honda boy, so I'll probably be asking him a lot of questions. I don't really know much of this, but
Previous Honda boy.
yeah, he still is at heart. He knows this. He's trying to play dumb, but he's like, I don't remember, but he remembers. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing together. I don't know. We'll see what the future holds. Hopefully they can sell it for a good chunk of money, or maybe I'll fall in love with it and hang on to it. Who knows? So stay tuned. Subscribe, like, comment. We appreciate you guys.